for Career Planning and Counselling, University of Kashmir is organizing this day-long workshop in collaboration with Project EduAccess on studying abroad. In this workshop, they are mentoring our students on how to apply for studies abroad, how to make applications for various scholarships, because we have observed that there is lack of awareness among the students. There is lack of exposure on where the opportunities are for higher studies and how to make the applications. So this is the third workshop of its kind which Center for Career Planning and Counselling is holding today in collaboration with the Project EduAccess. First was held on May 9th last year, and the second one was held on August 27th last year. In this workshop today, the students will be trained on where are the opportunities for studies abroad, particularly in UK-based universities, how to make applications for PG studies, for doctoral studies, how to make applications for fellowships, how to write letter of recommendation, how to write statement of purpose, how to write CV. In all aspects, one-to-one training, guidance and mentorship will be given to the students. And we have pass outs from various UK-based universities like University of Oxford, University of Cambridge, Durham University, London University, who have formed a group and they are giving absolutely free of cost training and guidance to the students. That is the whole aim of this workshop today.
We believe that access to many opportunities, whether leadership opportunities, professional opportunities or opportunities of higher education abroad, are not available to many students from marginalized communities, and we try to make them accessible. We try to break the barriers that come with information inaccessibility. So today we are here in Kashmir University. We are collaborating with the CCPC, which is the Center for Career Planning, under the leadership of Professor Geer sir. We've been able to conduct this one-day workshop. We conducted a workshop similar to this last year. It was a much bigger event. It was a 3-day workshop on applying to study abroad. This year it's a one-day workshop where we have various sessions that will cover the different components of making an application to study abroad, which will be helpful to students not just to apply abroad but also for their professional development.